Wait, is Zipper gonna be here? I'm confused. Maybe that's tomorrow. Maybe Zipper shows up tomorrow. I don't know. Hey, anyway. What's up? Oh, I suppose I should look that up while I have the chance. Not that I didn't have the chance yesterday, but I didn't bother. Okay, it was fake. Purple on the detail painting is fake. Okay, so we have an interesting situation on our hands here. I will explain that in a moment. But first, I'm going to just recap yesterday. I streamed for about an hour and a half, I think. I ended up shooting down a couple presents to begin with during my usual dailies, but I found myself stuck after quite some time. I couldn't really... I wasn't able to get many of the things. It just didn't work, right? So I decided that I needed to, do it. I needed to farm as many balloons as possible yesterday so that I could maximize my chances. And I decided that in order to help encourage me to do so, I'd clean up my island, or at least start on it. So, for the furniture that was outside, I picked up the expensive stuff, or the stuff that I thought that I might want to use at some point in the future, things that are cool. Basically, I just took the stuff that I want, and I put that in storage. My storage is closer to being full, but it's still not that close. I still got like 200 to 300 slots, and there's plenty of clothes that I will not be using that I can sell. So, I'll get rid of those when I feel like it. Which, I mean, I might get rid of... Actually, depends. Because I was actually getting a decent amount of money back yesterday. And, like, at this point, it's too late for me to sell everything at the store. So, I don't know. I'm going to think about it. But, in the midst of all that, I was able to get a cherry blossom rug. I finally got the recipe. Took what felt like forever. I feel like I shot down so many balloons. Oh, it's an egg. I was like, what the heck is this thing? Ah, it's another egg. Well, I guess the fun never stops around here. Yeah, bunny days coming up. It goes from cherry blossom season straight into bunny day time. And now, because I've cleared all this out, there's plenty of prime real estate for things to spawn, which I guess is a bit of a bonus. I'll take it. That's not a bad thing. KK's here, so I'm gonna talk to him later on. Able Sisters are closed, so that won't be a thing. Let me go eat myself so I can grab the card. Can we get something new here? No, we can get nothing. Better. Yeah, anyway, I might do a little bit of cleaning. I might not. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do right now. I have a couple plans, which are dailies, KK, and see what happens if I give out a couple of gifts. That's the plan for tonight. I haven't given gifts out in a while. It's a new month. Technically a new season as to, like, from when I gave out gifts last time. So... maybe? I don't know. I do not know. See what happens. I gotta sneeze. I also picked up a lot of the weeds on the island. So yeah, it was cleanup day. Because I kept saying I was going to clean and then I never did. So I figured, let's, get that out of the way and actually get it done. And wait for these balloons. Because the other thing is, like, when I'm trying to do all my dailies, it's so annoying to try and get balloons. Like, oh, let's fly over to Harv's and then talk to people there and get stuck and then not be able to make it back in time and miss out on a balloon. Or clean up things outside on your island, sell them when you have time, but if you don't have time, just wait around. You're fine. No worries, no stress. Easy peasy. So, that's ultimately what I went with, and it worked out. We got the thing on the second last day, which obviously is much closer than I would have liked it to have been. But again, at the end of the day, we have it, and now I'm gonna touch wood because I mean, like, everything points to it being fine, but you never know. But yeah, I've got the last seasonal recipe now. That's the last one. They're not gonna add another one. If they add another one, they're doing it just to troll me. There's no reason for them to add another one. It's like, seriously, they just should not. Did I get 5? Yeah, I did. Okay, so that must be all the earth eggs. Now, again, do I really need these eggs? And the answer to that question is, of course, no. I don't need anything. I only need new things. I don't need to get things that I've already got. I have plenty of eggs. Am I still gonna get them, though? Of course. Of course I am. How could I not? Okay, those two are sitting down. Blair was crafting. Hopper's just singing. So let's see what happens. It might be first one I get it and it's confirmed nothing I need, or it could be something weird. I'm gonna give it a couple tries. It depends on what it is. Okay, he gave me furniture, which makes me think it's a no. But I will give Marina one just in case. Just to try it out. Yeah, okay, 2 pieces of furniture, that tells me it's a big fat no. We are still not gonna get anything like that, which is unfortunate. And hey, look, there's Zipper! The man of the hour. Hippity skippity hoppity hoo. I don't think I said that right. Zippity zappity zoopity zoopity dad. Yep. He's gonna be back in a week. Yeah, so I obviously got all the Bunny Day stuff eons ago. That's right, that's how long it's been. Eons. Seriously, year 1, I did a lot. I got a lot of sky eggs, so many eggs. I crafted everything, I got all the recipes. It was a good time. And then the second year came around, it's like, well, there's really nothing much for me to do, and I still collected the things. And now here we are, the 3rd time doing this thing. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna collect the darn eggs. Only the ones that I happen to get, that is. I'm not going to go out of my way and fish up things. If there's a balloon, I'll probably shoot it down. If I see the rocks, I don't really hit the rocks anymore, but maybe I should. I kind of want to get like some more gold just in case, but we'll see what happens. Did I close the art thing? I did. Wow. Way to go, me. Bit silly. Okay, let's see what we get with this. We got the horse this week. That was this week, right? So, still need 2 more. But we're getting real close, which is nice. Because as soon as I have this off my list, I'm going to feel great. Can't believe I'm doing this just so I don't have to wait for years in the future. That's such a ridiculous thing. Like, if I wanted to legitimately get everything in the game, I would have to wait for like 8 years. Alright, we got Bad Fortune. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's good. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Now this is the interesting thing for this week. Okay, so this is where things get interesting. This is the quake painting. I can tell you for a fact that it's fake. I will look it up just because I'm now second guessing myself, and I don't know why I closed the tab, even though I hadn't seen the art. Quake painting. The fake one has more water. Great. So, I have not got a real piece of art from Red here this week. Now, this has not come up since I was aware of how this actually works. So, just for anyone who's not aware, if Red does not sell or offer a real piece of art here, it means that the following week, at his initial offering on Monday, he will have one guaranteed real piece of art. Otherwise, there's a 30% chance it's real. Now, the pieces of art at the beginning of the week cannot be, they have to have a fake variant of themselves, right? Because otherwise, how would those odds work if it was just one that's always real? So it has to be one that has a fake counterpart. And the two pieces of art that I still need to get and donate have fake counterparts. So, realistically speaking, if I have a guaranteed chance that there will be a real piece of art at Harv's through Red at the start of the week, that's my best bet to fill out one of those slots and donate it and all that. So that's cool. Now, if I had bought that thing, then a reroll would happen before the Monday weekly reset. And if there was a real piece of art that would have come up next, and I did actually see it, it still would have counted and then it wouldn't have worked. So in that case, I wouldn't buy anything. I know it's a little weird, but if you want to read the data mine thing, you can always read it, but I explained it decently. I don't need this right now. I think so, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, so that's actually kind of cool. It hasn't come up. It might have happened before I read about it, in November, December or something, but I wouldn't have realized, and I would have bought the thing on the Sunday maybe. So again, I don't know, but here we are. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. It's our best day of the week. Honestly, the best day of the week for this week was... Actually, we had a lot of new stuff this week. But getting that cherry blossom thing was the icing on the cake. The frosting on the frosted cookie, if you will. Just because it was the last seasonal thing, and now I no longer have to worry about farming darn balloons in an attempt to appease the RNG gods. So that's good. That's fun. That's cool. Now, I'm technically basically done my dailies. I need to talk to KK still. But apart from that, we are pretty close to good. I could clean out some clothes from my storage. That might be a decent idea. I also want to try going to one of Captain's Islands. I haven't done that in a while. And I figure, let's give it a try today. Now, I did read something that I've read many times before, but I keep disregarding it, and I keep forgetting, and I keep just, being dumb about it. But if you get a certain good fortune, which I didn't get today, of course, but that's fine. If you get a good fortune, though, it will affect the island that you get. I can't remember if it's the health or belongings or something, but basically one of the good fortunes gives you good RNG, and it guarantees that you're going to roll for a rare island with Captain, which is handy. Because, usually it's a 30% chance, or is it a 3% chance? I don't actually know how to read it. I think it's a 30% chance, but then it's equally split, and it's factored into how many times you've seen each one, whatever, right? So, yeah. I just want to see if I can get those, the things. What even is this one? Is this just a generic one? I think so, right? It must be. This just must be a generic island. Because it's got the trees, but that's it. I mean, it doesn't... If it was a cherry blossom one... Yeah. There is a cherry blossom island, but the cherry blossom island would have cherry blossoms, would it not? Yeah, this isn't the cherry blossom one. It's just the regular one. Because you would be able to see them floating around, and I would have seen one. And even if it was, it wouldn't help me, so it wouldn't matter. So we're good. Also, the recipe would, like, be a cherry blossom one, wouldn't it? I guess I could check that and that would tell me. Did I open it already? I don't know. Alright, what am I doing now? Yeah, it's just basement flooring. Okay, that don't matter. Alright. Oh, hey. Thought I missed your message for a second, but no. How's it going? I don't got too much left in the stream here, but, yeah. Alright, let's see. So all of that's junk. Now, think, maybe let's do this. I think you just woke up. Wow. Hopefully that wasn't too horrible. Waking up is tough sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna go through my tops. We're gonna look at the new tops, and I'm gonna see what I don't want, and we're gonna get rid of it. Am I ever gonna wear these things? This one, no. That, maybe this, no. Looking for colors I like. These things, I like these. Keep them, whatever. This thing, conductor's jacket. They kind of work for some things, but I don't think I'm gonna wear those. I might wear those ones? I don't know. Am I gonna wear this? Definitely not. Delivery jacket? No. 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 Alright, works for me. No worries. I finally got the cherry blossom recipe yesterday. I was cleaning on stream for a very long time, and I managed to finally get the thing. So I was pretty happy about that. Took quite a long time though. Well, I will admit that. I don't want this one. Don't want this one. I don't want that one. Am I gonna wear these? Probably not. Just keep those two, I guess. I don't know. I'm definitely not gonna wear that. Okay, so yeah, I had a bunch of like furniture out here, so I cleaned up that. I sold some stuff, I kept some stuff, and my storage is a lot more full at this point as a result of that. But like, I made a decent amount of money from selling stuff, but like clothing doesn't sell for as much as the furniture would, so it's not a big deal. I can just sell things pretty quick like this, and thank you. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning tonight, just because I started. You can see I have about 260 slots left, so I'm gonna just get a bit more of this stuff out. Am I gonna wear that? No. Am I gonna wear that? No. Am I gonna wear this? No. 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 Nope. Those are a little bit better. Aprons. Do I have two of those? Get them out of here. Get them out of here. Get them out of here. These things. Am I gonna wear this? Just give her those two. That. Definitely not gonna wear those. I sold the clothes? Yeah. I'm not gonna wear all these. I like these. Robot Hero, good. This, I'm never gonna wear this stuff. Sailor stuff? That's a big no, but I'll keep a couple. Oh, there's too many of these things. There we go. The problem, I don't have enough storage space. They're definitely not things I would wear. I'm not like trying to bash the clothes or anything. But definitely not things that I would choose to wear. Not always. Some of them maybe. Why do I have why? Why? Oh man. Right. Don't need these. Notice I keep a lot of certain colors. But I ditch a lot of the other ones. Okay, these things, these bibs, get them out of here. I'm really not a fan of those. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need that. Guess I can keep those for now. See, really, it's not like... I don't need to worry about getting rid of, like, all of them. I'm just getting rid of enough of them. Like, certain ones I'll keep, like, you know, a couple colors, just in case. But then the other ones, it's just like, no, for sure I'm not wearing this thing, get it out of here. But yeah, I definitely keep certain colors. But, if I look at how many clothes there are in the game, so this is a little fun aside. There's like, 1,300 tops. Okay, there's 1,300 tops alone. And I have 5,000 storage slots. And that's just the tops. Like, I can't keep everything. Just scared of these dumb diapers. Just gonna wear a diaper. Jeez. I'm not gonna wear those either. Definitely not gonna wear these. Definitely not gonna wear these. Not gonna wear those. Athletic outfit. Am I gonna wear this? No. 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 Yeah, I'm just clearing up. About it. Okay, long underwear. Yeah, no, get that out of here. Don't need that. Alright, what's my storage at now? I think I can get away with that for now. We're down to 46. That's something. I could... Maybe I do one more inventory? Each inventory is about 28. Which isn't like a lot, but it's something. Okay, there's like a decent amount of hats, right? Oh, there's just so many of these things. Not a big fan of the light up crowns, so I'll get rid of those. Head bandages are not something I'm often gonna wear, but I might want them. There's too many. There's too many. I love how I have multiples of these things. Because like someone just decided to give them to me. And then I just kept them. Oh, look at this. So many. Robo antennas, yeah. I'd rather keep the emergency things than these things. So let's get rid of these. Gotta be careful because like some of these things are, untradeable. You can't get another one. I gotta make sure I'm only selling the things I need to sell. Not the other things. I don't need all these. There are accessories I don't want. These eyeballs, I'm not gonna use these. Get them out of here. What are these? Keep 2? I don't know. Don't want those, don't want those. Got masks. Maybe that's enough. Like I said, I'm just trying to clean up a bit more. Put a bunch of stuff in storage, so I want to take out a decent amount to offset it. That's no fun. Maybe it's too early to be up and it's just slow. Not the best answer, but something. Do I need basic pumps? Definitely not. Okay, this isn't terribly interesting. Oh yeah, look at all those sashes. Oh man. Alright, so I went through a lot of it. There's still some more that I could sell, but I think it's a good start. It's definitely a good start. And will definitely help. It's just like there's so many of these things that I don't... There's just too many. Brown and orange is just like, yeah, get them out of here. Well, I think I'm gonna call that good for now. It's definitely a lot less. It's a lot easier to look at, and I think that's fine. So and I put in a decent amount of time doing it, so that's good. Now, there's two things to keep in mind here. There's still a couple pieces of furniture that I don't know about, that I need to like figure out if I want or not. And then there's all this stuff. I don't know if this is like good or bad or what. What am I even looking at here? I'm looking at like a... Was it just elegant? Okay, I'm definitely not gonna use those. Those are not what I want. Red exquisite? Okay, I don't really want that either. Actually, maybe I'll keep the red one. I have a lot of stuff. Way too much stuff. Definitely. Okay, I don't like these things. The green exquisite? Maybe I'll keep that. I'll keep those two. I'll keep that. I guess I'll just keep that. What does the storefront look like? I can't remember if this is something cool or not. I don't know. Die! Maybe. I'll keep the stained glass thing, I guess. I don't know. Keep that. That's expensive. I said I was going to keep that. I'm now taking way too many different things. I don't know what's what in my inventory, but it's fine. I said I was going to keep a lot of this stuff, I think. Yeah. So yeah, the goal here is just to get everything on the island cleaned up. You know, maybe finally hit 5 stars again. That would be kind of cool. What is this? Another egg? Another one? Oh, why did I dig that up? Man. Why did I do that? Okay, so I'm gonna keep this storefront, keep that and that. So I'm keeping most of this stuff. This stuff's going. Get up real this time. Okay, I guess I'll do a little bit more cleanup. I know usually, like, I streamed a lot yesterday and streamed a decent amount today, and I'll have a bit of a longer stream tomorrow, because it's Monday. There's more things to do, but that's okay. You know, we're just gonna get this cleaned up. My island's gonna look good, and life will be great. I guess I like this. Keep it, sure, whatever. Keep that too, sure, whatever. Hairdresser. I think I like this, but am I gonna use it? I don't know. Use that. I do like that. Covered counter. What is this? I can't remember what these things look like. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Small base. Might as well take it. Safety barrier. What is this? I'll keep it. A decent piece of furniture. Keep the sampler. Okay, cool. That's all the... Nope. Hold on. Is the milk can expensive or not? No, get that out of here. We don't need this. Get it out of here. This Imperial thing. A skateboard. I will probably need this for the skateboard thing later, so that's why I'm dropping it here. A little bit awkward, but I'll make it work. Okay, so we're gonna put, not that, we're gonna put, no, not this, that. Okay, cool. So that means... Spiders. Wait, what spiders? What are we talking about? There's no spiders, are there? Oh! Oh, the spider crabs. Yeah, this is the spider crabs. They're, yeah, I guess if you're not into it, it's pretty creepy looking. I kind of love them. They're kind of cool. I mean, they're pretty cool, but pretty scary all at the same time. So now I have a lot of these. I don't know. Now this is where things get tricky. Because this is all these backpacks and stuff. And I don't know which colors are which. I'm going to just take the items that I like. And, like, cause, like, I'm not gonna walk around with a handbag. Not me. Not me. Do I need an electronics store bag? Not really. Tiny flower print tote bag. No, I don't need that. So I'm gonna get the ones that I do look like. They're, like... What's the delivery bag look like? I don't remember. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a big fan of spiders items. Don't worry. So this is the delivery bag. I kind of like it. It's not like something I'd always wear, but I think it's worth keeping. So I'm gonna keep all that stuff, sure. Instrument kit, sure. Simple backpack. All these cool items, I'm like, you know, I'm not putting them to use because they're just sitting out here. So, do myself a favor, right? That's a fun one. That's those. Sword, obviously want the sword. If I didn't take the sword, something would be wrong with me. What is this one? This one might be cute, I don't know. Definitely cute. Would I wear it? I don't know. What outfit would that work with? I'll keep it just because I like it. Probably won't get use out of it. So I'm taking a lot of the backpacks. I'm not really taking a lot of the bags. Go figure. But yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the cherry blossoms, but unfortunately they'll be going. Today's the last day that they're around. Season's just about up, so that'll be that. So I still have lots of these things to get. What does one look like? Nope, definitely not my thing. Okay though. Alright, I think that's all the stuff I want. I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. I can sell the other stuff tomorrow. Things are mostly clean, which is nice. So I'm gonna wrap it up there. I'm gonna listen to KK perform. That'll be the last thing I do on the stream as soon as it's done, just because that's how I like to do it when this is the case. I'll leave it up to him. Just for fun. What are we at? Are we at 92 right now? We're at 91. We'll be at 92 after this. So, it's been about 45 minutes. Nothing new today. I didn't get anything real from Red, as far as I'm aware this week, so I didn't buy anything today. We should be guaranteed at least one real piece of art tomorrow, which will hopefully be handy. We'll see, though. I got a bad fortune from Katrina, so maybe we can get another Zodiac figure tomorrow. That would also be pretty cool. No new recipes today, but we did finally get the Cherry Blossom thing yesterday. Zipper was back today. That means Bunny Day's in swing for the week, and he'll be back again in a week or something. I don't remember what day it is. The Monday? Easter Monday? Is that when he's back? Probably. So that's a thing. And I did a lot of cleaning yesterday, and I basically finished the cleaning today. I went through the remaining rugs and furniture, and I also sold a bunch of clothing I had in storage, and I put some of the backpacks away. I can sell the other stuff off tomorrow, just leave it there in case, but I'll figure that out. But yeah, I didn't get anything new today, but we did get potential for a new Zodiac thing tomorrow, and we got some cleaning done, which is always good. So I'm going to end the stream with KK. So thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Probably about, 12 hours time now. I'll get my dailies done. We'll see what we can get for the week from Harps, and we'll take it from there.
Oh me now. Quick now, oh me. Na oh me oh na. me quick na oh me. Na oh me na oh na. Me quick me quick na oh me.